Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our class. Today we are looking at electron configuration or electronic configuration. What is an electronic configuration? Electronic configuration is the arrangement of electrons in the orbit of an atom. Right, so we are looking at arranging elements. You remember we talked about our first 20 elements. You remember I said hydrogen, helium, lithium, boron, beryllium, and all those elements. You remember them? I told you to learn first 20 elements. I want to give you the opportunity to take a piece of paper and then write your first 20 elements. For you to be aided in getting the first 10 elements, I did use something small. Hello, listen. BBC now operating from Nigeria. You see there, highlight the first letters. Hello, HH, that is hydrogen and helium. Lithium is number 3, and then we go to beryllium, number 4. Okay, then beryllium, then we go to boron, number 5. You get it? So if you have learned your first 20 elements, let's go. Right, now electron configuration, we are going to arrange the electrons. We are going to arrange the electrons in the shell or the orbit. So what you have to know first is the first shell is called the K shell. I want you to note it, the K shell. Okay, and this is the L shell and then the M shell. Now the K shell can accommodate a maximum of 2 electrons. Any other thing will have to go to the subsequent electron or the next electron. The K shell can accommodate only 2 electrons. Alright, then we come to the L electrons. The L electron, by definition, we are going to arrange electrons on the L shell, which is the orbit. And here we are also going to know the number of electrons that can occupy. Per our calculation, we are going to satisfy the L shell with 8 electrons. We will come to that. Then the M electron will also accommodate some amount. Without wasting much time, we are looking at our first element, hydrogen. The hydrogen atom or element has 1 atomic number. The atomic number is the same as the number of electrons, yes, in our previous lesson. So, having 1 electron, we can only arrange 1 electron here. That is for hydrogen. Let's move on to another element, boron. Boron has 5 electrons here. Look at it. And in this case, I stated that boron can, the first shell, which is the K shell, can accommodate only 2 elements from boron. So the first element 1, and then the second element here 2. It is satisfied, but you realize that there are some more elements left. So we write our 2, comma, and then 3. This means the first shell, which is K shell, is taking 2 elements, and then the L shell is also taking 3 elements. So quickly, we have 1, 2, and then 3. The position does not really matter. You should be able to count and then identify them. So let's look at the electrons that we have arranged here. The first one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that confirms the atomic number. The number of electrons we have to be 5. Let's look at our next atom, which is sodium. And remember, sodium has how many? Do you remember? Sodium has 11 elements. Sodium. Neon is 10, right? Do you remember? Okay, so quickly let's go. Sodium. The first shell is going to take 2 elements, which is the K shell. The second, which is the L, is going to take a maximum of 8. So let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are we satisfying it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count the number of electrons we have now. 2 for K shell, and then how many are we left with? 8, which is 10, and then 1. So we still have more to do. Okay, so that is the 8th one, and then we have the final one. We can position it here as 1. So sodium, the electron arrangement is 2:8, 2, 8, 1. Remember, the atomic number for sodium is 11. The atomic number for sodium is 11. Right. These and others that we are expected to do. I want you to try all the 20 elements we learned in our previous lesson. Try and write the electron arrangement, and then try and nicely put the element on the orbit, just as I have done. I want you to keep trying and keep trying. If you have a problem or you don't understand anything, you can reach me on all the social media handles. You can also reach me on 059283850. My WhatsApp number 059-628-3850. If you didn't get it, please find a way of contacting me for further explanation. I wish you all the best and enjoy the science lesson. It is good to be in the science class because it is only science that can tell you the definition of everything. I wish you all the best. See you in our next class. My name is Prof. R.S.K.